Grounding, grounding. Ground yourself. Nature. Look at Planet Newbern. Trying to get a good view of them. That's another planet, aka shape shifting space shuttle. If you have any, to all my followers, friends, and subscribe, if you have any questions for about my messages, you can one-on-one with me, free. Hit my email, Darius Hunter at gmail. Darius Hunter 12 at gmail.com. You can hit me up at any time. You can talk to me one-on-one about the teaching and the learning of grounding and shadow work. It's easy, but you have to stay consistent with your mission. God have you here for a reason. To all the chosen ones, that God got you here for a reason. I would, I would like ask you guys to stay focused. You can ask God, you can ask yourself, your inner self, because you are God. You can ask your inner self questions about your life and your layout of your life, how you want it to be. Nature, I love her. Guarantee she loves me, and she don't. Not only just me, all who connected with her and understand her. Nature, gotta love her. Keep your head up, stay joyful, stay humble, keep your vibration up high, keep it positive, stay on the positive side, leave the negative alone. Stop allowing people to take your energy. You have the negative people out here who try to take others' energy. Succubus is who I call them. Get you one. Masculine and feminine. Get you one. Stay up, keep your head up, and always remember that you are a god or a goddess. Peace.